Now that you've calculated how to dilute your oligos, we're going to go ahead and set them up for boiling and cooling overnight. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a tube out, shake it out because these tubes are sterile, and I'm going to label it. This one is going to get that label. All right, got it labeled. So I have my tube labeled, and now I'm going to put it in the rack, and I already have my P20 set for 1 microliter. This photograph shows the 4 pair of oligos, and in the background the 10x annealing buffer, and to the right some water. 1 microliter. So I'm going to take 1 microliter of the top oligo, and these are already thawed and well mixed. So I'm going to go in there, take 1 microliter, that's not much volume, and I'm going to move the tube by 1 hole so I don't forget which one I've pipetted. Dispense 1 microliter of the first oligo in there, get my second tip, and now take the bottom oligo. Always double check the label, make sure you're getting the right one. Okay. Move that a hole, put it in the tube. So now I have a tube that has 2 1 microliter aliquots of the oligos that we ordered from the company. So now to that, I'm going to reset my pipetter for 2 microliters. And now I need the 10x annealing buffer. Because it's 10x, that means 1/10 of the final volume should be composed of this solution. And since our final volume is, 20 microliters, I'll have 2 microliters of the annealing buffer. And now I have to set this for 16 microliters all the way at the other end. So I'm dialing, dialing, dialing. Oh, this is the slow part. All right, here we go, homing in on 16 microliters. So now another fresh tip, sterile water. 16 microliters of that. Now I'm going to make sure I mix that with the other 3 droplets that are already in there. Put the cap on and just flick it a little bit. Make sure it's looking nicely mixed. And so I have my first of 4 tubes for the version 1 oligos. And once I get those done, I will walk over there and do the boil and cool.